Is your BMW i3 key fob not working? Let's get it sorted. First, the most common culprit is a dead battery. The i3 fob uses a CR2032 battery, easily replaceable by prying open the fob with a small screwdriver or BMW tool. Dimmed LEDs or intermittent responsiveness are telltale signs. If a new battery doesn't solve it, try remote initialization. Get in your i3 with a working fob or physical key and use the iDrive menu to add key or follow the My BMW app's instructions. If you still have problems, antenna issues could be the cause, especially if you experienced a recent rainstorm. In this case, you would need to visit a BMW service station. If basic steps fail, antenna corrosion or module failure might be the issue. This requires checking for error codes using an OBD2 scanner. A key not recognized error, code 0xA1, specifically points to antenna problems. Cleaning contacts with isopropyl alcohol might work for corrosion issues. However, module replacement can cost $200 to $500 at a shop. Remember that digital keys via the My BMW app are increasingly common, providing convenient keyless entry. In the future, expect more over-the-air updates for your i3, potentially extending fob lifespan through adaptive algorithms. Biometric integration may eventually replace physical fobs altogether. For now, prioritize battery checks, software updates, and DIY cleaning where appropriate. But don't hesitate to seek professional help to avoid voiding warranties.